Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today is a very unique day as we are having both the E46 328i and my G20 M340i in one frame being serviced together on the same day. But this video is not about my E46. We'll save this video for some other day. Today is about my M340i, where we are going to attempt and demonstrate a global first of installing the M3 M4 M performance steering upgrade on my M340i. We have the steering ready with us and I just can't wait to get the installation started. So let's get along with it. Okay, let's unbox this thing. Okay. Let me show you a closer look. Extremely well finished. Love the blue stripe here. So the highlight is this M color stitching, and definitely these Alcantara patches at 3 and 9. So these are the M1 and M2 buttons. Will be a blank for my M340i. We'll have to figure out if we fit the existing steerings part or retain this Alcantara part and keep this as a blank. Right, so the steering has been fit, and let me tell you, this extremely transforms the way this interior looks and feels. Right from the Alcantara on the key positions of 3 and 9 to this blue ring, it really makes this cabin alive. And I still am yet to drive this car, but I can tell you I'm really looking forward to it. And I'm sure it's going to elevate the driving experience to another level, what the M340i already has, and with this steering wheel, it deserves. So let me tell you why I picked this steering wheel over the official M340i's M performance upgrade. Point number one, this has a blue ring, and I really feel that this feels, personally, I feel the blue has a bit more character. And I prefer it over the red. But mainly the second reason why I picked this steering wheel is because the stitch provided in this steering wheel has the M tricolor. This was not the case in the M340i's M performance steering wheel upgrade option. That has a red ring and has a plain Jane white stitch option. So that is something which is I felt like the moment I had seen the M4's M Performance steering wheel, I had loved it, and I was always wondering if that can fit in my car, in the M340i. Technically, BMW's dealership as well as BMW India denied it, said it can't be done, it's not possible. That's the answer which I was not satisfied with. So I dug up and I did more research. I knew the part number of this steering wheel. I knew the part number of the M340i M Performance Upgrade steering wheel. And then I compared the airbags part numbers, the airbag of the M340i and the airbag of the M3 and M4. I found out that the airbag part number is compatible right through the 2 series up to the M3 and the M4 including. So that gave me a good amount of confidence to go ahead and order this part. And the results are in front of me. And this is something which is, I really wish I'd done earlier, but better late than never. Well, let me tell you a couple of more things about the child parts. These are finished in the aluminum trim, which matches the aluminum trim on the interior and also does match the aluminum tetragonal design laid out on the dash. So this was sort of in continuity. That is the reason I did not order any carbon fiber parts, because my interior doesn't have any carbon fiber. So I did not really intend to have any carbon fiber. So overall, I think I did a good thing by retaining the paddle shifters, the aluminum trim on the steering, and everything played out really well. So I'm extremely happy about this upgrade decision. Not only that, I don't know whether I said that my car has M seat belts. So this also matches with the steering M tricolor stitching. So this makes me really feel that the entire interior is in harmony. And I always genuinely felt that the M Sport versions, right from the 2 Series Grand Coupe to the X7, all have the same steering wheel. So what was the differentiating factor in the interior for the M340i? Well, there was none. But let me tell you the good news. I have created one. And on that note, thank you for watching.